Magnus?
Ja, ek gaan hom aan Afrikaans wegval. Ons is jammer daar's oor die los en so aan. Ons was dit dalk, ek moes op 'n goeie tyd nou daar's die los, ons met die oog op die res van die seisoen. En daar's dit daar's was dit dalk, ek bedoel goed dat ons julle nou verloor het, daar's met die oog op die res van die seisoen. Jy weet die foute julle daar was foute gemaak. Ons so dalk daar's so na die haai van laasweek.
Ja, ons glo in die span dat alles wat met ons gebeur vir ons. So daar's 'n rede hoekom ons hier verloor het. Harder werk, foute regmaak. Ons moet 'n bietjie ons rugby sens verbeter met sekere besluitneming op die regte tye. Ja, en ons moet ook dalk meer slim wees. En hulle was vir 80 minute, ek het die Mike langs my gehad, vir 80 minute in 'n skeieregter oor soos ek nog nooit gehoor het nie. Ek het nie geweet dis toelaatbaar nie. En dit is 'n ding wat ek nou moet gaan uitsorteer. Dat ons ook bietjie 'n nuwe ding is constant talking en ek weet nie of dit en ek soek nie verskonings nie. Hulle was baie goed dit gewen. Ek is bly ek antwoord die vraag in Afrikaans nie in Engels nie.
Ek moes hulle het redelik foute gemaak. Daar's dink jy dit was al so dalk 'n bietjie hoor daarso gerusheid daarna laas naweek.
Ek glo nie as jy na laasweek kyk, hulle die tweede helfte baie goed terug. Maar dit is baie sterk span. Hulle is hoog gery op die wêreld ranking. Ons het 34-21 gewen en verloor 26-19. So as jy die twee bymekaar sit, is dit nogal baie gelyk op game. Wat frustrerend was net is alles in die breakdown. Ek sal nou moet gaan en mooi sit en ontleed wat het daar gebeur in die breakdown. Want ons kan nie speel penalty, speel penalty, speel penalty. Dit neek al die momentum op, vra vir Bibi. Jy kom nie in die gang nie. En by saying that, ek dink ons het mooi drie gedruk. Dis jammer hy van Jakkie was toe nie. Dit sou 'n wenner gewees het. Ja. Dis een van daai dinge wat gebeur het. Môre skyn die son. God is still good. Ons gaan aan.
Coach, and then Captain, I think Spice you just touched on it, but there was numerous times Libby was played without the ball. They were really physical, but sometimes in the negative way of it. As you said, they were the whole time in the ref's ear. As captain, did you feel maybe there were times that you need to step up, talk to the refs? Because I feel there was a few calls that were being made that wasn't quite pretty, but it didn't go away at all, it wasn't seen.
I think this is one of those things in a test match that you can't control. We can only control what we can. Officiating is not for us to rate how good, how bad it was. Ours is to play rugby to the best of our abilities. And I felt that sometimes the rugby gods smile upon you, sometimes they don't. The rugby ball bounces in one way or another. But I think our discipline could have made it a little bit better for us. I think that's one aspect of the game that we can definitely control and we can definitely work on.
People with questions about the ref is just going to get us in trouble. Is there any other questions that you would like to
No,
ask?
actually wanted to actually speak to the ref.
Maybe this is for both coach and captain. I mean, historical win for you guys with the States coming to South Africa, level the series. Maybe if you can touch on just what it means overall to draw the series.
Yeah, if I'll jump in here, baby. If you look in the big picture, and you offered me 4 weeks ago a draw against America, who's much higher rated, I would have taken it. I was just so excited, and we had our chances today. And let's look at ourselves first, not the officiating, at ourselves first. You're so right, JJ, by saying that. I must go and sit out and work. We train so hard, especially with the breakdown. What happened there? And then if it's a coaching thing, we will fix it and going forward. But we can't play rugby if we can't control the breakdown. But very positive the whole test series. I thought, I thought if we scored at the end there, I said to my coaches, I'll take the draw. So.
Yeah, coach. Can you maybe speak a little bit more on the breakdown if you can? I know you're still going to go back watch the video, but do you feel they were just a little bit smarter this week when it came to the breakdown, or do you feel your team just took a little bit more time to sort of adjust to the pace of the game?
Yeah, I got to look at ourselves first before we look at them. We've got the ball carrier, and then we've got the horse, the carrier, and then the jockey has got to protect quickly. Now I must first go and see what happened to our jockey, or what we call from the outside cleaner as well. So we got to look firstly what we do. The ball presenting was that good. There's a few that I saw that I won't comment on now, but it made me a few years older. So that we got to look at ourselves first. But I've never coached a game that we lose so many balls in the breakdown. Not in 37 years.
And then,
So
you can continue, Coach.
sorry.
I was saying you can continue if you have anything.
No.
But
Okay, one more. Yeah, okay, go.
Coach, maybe just in English, just your summary of the game. But and then secondly, line-up balls weren't working, and you mentioned the breakdown. But I'm sure you'd have been quite happy in how the team was able to still get so close to the end.
Yeah, I saw fight right to the end. That's the character of this team. They never gave up. With all the things that went against us, the bounce of the ball, this and as you say now, all in all, I'm proud of the girls, and they're a lovely team to coach, and they're coachable, and maybe it's a good thing that's happened now, because there's tough tests there that we make under pressure, and when it's a tough test under pressure, so you got to get the right decisions. Even right at the end, if we just kept the ball, anything could have happened. So that's life.
Any questions to Babalwa? Then we have to go. Seriously.
And then, Tawana, just on the performance of your team, I'm sure you're quite proud in the performance of the girls are putting. But just what are your thoughts just around how you were able to stay in the fight and just stay there up until the end?
Without a doubt, I'm immensely proud of our team. We said in the change room that we wanted to fight for one another, we wanted to fight for our jersey. And I think that we saw, excuse me, until the very last minute of the game. Of course, this type of a result is not what we wanted. But again, it's test match rugby. You lose some games and you win some games. I think this is just another step forward in our growth spurt and into preparation of the next block of test matches, which will be great. And I said this earlier, I think we're on a very great tide. Our tide is turning around, and when the tide rises, so do other boats. And so us playing the US, coming away with a series draw is us getting better and making them better as well. Overall, we make women's rugby better.
I just want to add there quickly. If a year ago, this result could have been big, or a year and a half ago, it would have been like Canada, or you guys saw it last year. The gap has been narrowed, and as the captain said, we're so proud, so proud of the girls, what they achieved. And we will fix our mistakes. I promise you that.
obviously, because next will be Italy.
No, Fiji.
Or Fiji, Italy, all in the mix as well. What would you like to work on? Some of the things you'd like to work on before that test?
If you look at the tries we scored in both the tests, now, very lot of positives. So we know our way of play is the correct way. We just got to be smarter in certain departments. And that's the big work on now. The micro skills and the clinical decision making, just be smarter.
Okay, final question.
No.
We're done.
Ek net julle confidence, baie geluk met die wen van die game. Dit was vir my baie beter selfgeskreer weet, maar ook sal ek sê julle confidence van hier af vorentoe, is dit 'n confidence builder.
Ja, verseker. Nee, dis 'n groot die selfvertroue. Hulle tonne en tonne selfvertroue en hulle gaan nog groot spanne verras. Ek weet dit. As ons aan die gang kom, is ons dodelik. Julle het dit self gesien. So van is hulle glo hulle kan enige span wen. En dis vir my lekker. En daarom hierdie verlore is maar ons het net twee goed vir ons wen games en ons leer. Ons verloor nooit.
Okay, thank you.
Goeie afrigter, so.
Thanks everybody.
Cool.
Dankie.